Are you fond of Ghibli art and want to create such images for free? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to create Ghibli images for free. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. OpenAI's GPT 4.0 now makes it easy to create stunning Studio Ghibli-inspired art, whether you are an inspiring artist or transforming your photos into whimsical designs. In this video, we are going to see how you can create Ghibli images in ChatGPT for free using effective prompts and a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Method 1. Create Ghibli images in ChatGPT. If you want to create Ghibli images in ChatGPT for free, follow these steps. First, go to chatgpt.com, the official website of ChatGPT. Then log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one. Now select the GPT 4.0 model to generate our images. To select GPT 4.0, go to the top left corner of the window where you will see the ChatGPT model selected. You need to select GPT 4.0. In case you can't find it there, stick with the ChatGPT model and just click on the three dots. Then select Create Images, as it also can create Ghibli images, but it will take just a bit longer. Now you need to give a prompt, for example, create a Ghibli image of an old man sitting under a full moon and reflecting on his life's decision, or generate a Ghibli image of a cat inviting rats to a party. You can also refine your image, for example, asking the sun to be brighter or making the sky darker or lighter. To fine-tune your images, you should give specific details and be as articulate as you possibly can. Method 2. Convert your pictures into Ghibli images. If you are a fan of Ghibli images and want to convert your image into one, you can do that using ChatGPT. To do so, click on the plus icon, then select the Upload from Computer option. Navigate to the location where you have stored the image and then select it. Now, give the prompt, convert this image into Ghibli, and wait for the magic to happen. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.